Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane. First, you'll need just a regular sheet of paper. Now, fold it, crease it, and then it'll look like this. Now unfold it, and fold this part down, and do that to the other side. Now turn the paper around and fold this until it reaches the crease. So it looks like that. And do it to the other side. Now what you'll need to do should look like this. Now fold the tip all the way until it touches the bottom of the paper. And then it should look like this. And then fold it. Take about half of it and fold it back up. And now it should look like this. Now turn it over so it looks like this. And fold it all the way. Wait, forget that. Turn it back around and fold it like so. Then it should look like this. Now take it and fold it back over, but not all the way. Now it should look like this. Fold it back down, the other side back down. Now it should look like this. Now take the wings and fold it down like that. So now the wing will look like that. Do it to the other wing too. And here's how it flies. That is how to make a cool paper airplane.